Now, viewers, as the escalations continue to intensify, there is an Israeli F-35 that's been downed, an Iranian fighter jet over Tehran. This is what the Israeli military has come out to say. The defense forces of Israel have come out to, in fact, make this post on platform X, confirming that an IAF F-35I Adir fighter jet has been shot down. Has shot down an Iranian Air Force Yak-130 fighter jet, that is. This is the first shoot down in the history of a manned fighter aircraft by an F-35 Adir fighter jet. This very crucial defense military operation details that are coming in now, which has been confirmed by the Iranian side, by the Israeli side themselves. An Iranian jet being shot down, an IAF 35I Adir fighter jet shot down an Iranian Air Force Yak-130 fighter jet. This is the first shoot down that we are speaking of in the history of a manned fighter aircraft. This is just the post that they have put across on platform X. This is what we are learning, and this, in fact, this interception took place over Tehran itself. So it was within the Iranian territory itself where it got shot down. It didn't cross over to the Israeli side to be intercepted. The Israeli F-35 downed an Iranian fighter jet. That's what we are learning. Now, we will bring to you all the details of the military perceptions of this and the information around these two particular jets, but these are preliminary details that we are bringing to you. Remember, earlier we were bringing you news of how both sides, that is Tehran as well as certain places in Israel like Jerusalem, have already been sounding the sirens since morning, because there have been attacks and counterattacks taking place. Just a few hours ago, we told you, we had broken to you news with regards to how Jerusalem had sounded the sirens as well. There was smoke seen over Beirut. So the West Asian war theatre does continue to intensify, as there is no end to war at this point of time that we see.